Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to clean up your Microsoft Edge browser so it looks neat and professional, going from this cluttered look to this clean, minimal look. Step 1. Open Microsoft Edge. As you can see, the new tab page looks pretty messy right now, with a lot of extra content we don't really need. Now, click the gear icon in the top right corner to open the page settings. Step 2. Customize the layout. A small settings panel will pop up. Here's what we're going to turn off. 1. Promoted links. Toggle this off first. 2. Content/feed. Turn off show feed as well. 3. Background image. Optional. Turn this off if you want a plain background. 4. Weather. Turn this off too if you don't need it on your homepage. Don't worry, you can turn any of these back on anytime, right from this same settings panel. Result, and that's it. Now your Microsoft Edge homepage looks clean and professional, with no distracting links, feeds, or clutter, just what you need. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips like this.